In 1862, President Lincoln signed into existence the Homestead Act. This granted Americans 160-acre plots of land for the price of a small filing fee. For the first time, anyone had the opportunity to plant their feet firmly on a piece of ground that they could call their own. The only thing asked of those seeking to make a new life out in the harsh landscape of the West was that their grit and discipline turn dust into something productive. All they had to do was prove up. Fast forward to today. That Western landscape has changed, and there's a different kind of harsh waiting to keep us from the life that we long to live. But the grit and discipline still hasn't left our bones. The call to break free of conformity is echoing louder than ever. The urgency to get back to the basics of self-reliance has us fighting like mad to set our feet back into place. Introducing Program 62. This program will systematically walk you through building a comprehensive preparedness plan that you will get to customize during our weekly topic breakouts. Whether you're single in a one-room apartment or raising a family on 50 acres, this program will develop and cultivate your self-reliant lifestyle. When presented with our educational content through our various online platforms, a common response that we found echoed was, "Where do I start?" And Program 62 was created with not only the solution to that question, but the more important application of the steps to get you to the self-reliance that you envision. You'll spend 12 weeks building out the infrastructure and blueprint that reflects your unique lifestyle and needs. Whether you're creating a code word for yourself or your family during our public safety and defense module, or learning how to properly apply a chest seal during our trauma and first aid session, every single week has been intentionally structured to train you up in the knowledge of each topic while showing you how to bring those trainings to life by integrating them into your own. Our packed lineup of instructors features subject matter experts from nearly every facet of the preparedness world, and they have brought their very best to the table with this program. You'll learn everything from mindset and situational awareness to public safety and defense and more.
We spend nearly 300 hours a year in our vehicles. That's a lot of time. And what that means is you're at an increased risk of experiencing the worst case scenario in your vehicle. The right skills, the right supplies are vital to you, your family, and those around you.
Medical skills are easily some of the most important skills that we're going to have to be able to develop. The scenarios are too wide and too often and too likely that ourselves or a loved one are going to end up being injured, and knowing what to do in the event of an injury is what could be the difference between life and death. The good news is that even with a basic knowledge, that you'll be able to find out exactly how much you're capable of. You can do a lot with a little, and a little bit of coaching will get you exactly where you need to be able to treat and take care of yourself and your loved ones in the event of an emergency.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Matt Bandy with Fieldcraft Survival. I'm one of the lead firearms instructors for the company. In this course, we're going to be talking to you about home defense and things you can take back to your specific lifestyle to defend your home. So talking about things like safe zones, who's going to be mobilizing families to those safe zones, what firearms are in the house and stored safely to be used to defend yourself or your family. All those things are going to be covered in this class and give you the opportunity to take it back specifically to your lifestyle and be put into action.
Bushcraft is the study of wilderness living, and part of understanding bushcraft includes possessing a strong foundation in survival skills that address life-threatening emergencies. A bushcrafter is a self-reliant individual with a strong command of resourcefulness in their environment. The same capable attributes found in the bushcraft space can be applied to the civilized world as you find yourself in emergencies in suburban and urban places.
Join us for the next 12 weeks where you can take your mobility skills and more to the next level.
Come join us for this 12-week course where we're going to give you the private coaching to take your medical skills and a whole lot more to the next level.
Join us for a 12-week course where you can take your survival skills and more to the next level.
Come join us.